In this video, we'll make a much healthier version of our most awaited winter delicacy, Gajar ka halwa. Traditionally, one would make Gajar halwa by simmering carrots in ghee, commercial milk, and refined sugar. They would start making it in the morning and continue to cook it till the evening. This way, we end up cooking the carrots to death and take away all their life energy and nutritional value. Today, we'll make a sattvic version of this halwa. The first ever gajar halwa with no dairy, no sugar, and no ghee. Yet, it tastes equally delicious and needs just 15 minutes of your active time. The rest is just letting the carrots cook over low heat in a clay pot. The ingredients you'll need to make this halwa are 4 cups of finely grated carrots. Make sure to use only red winter carrots for this halwa. 20 strands of saffron, half cup of chopped dates. Make sure to remove the seeds from the dates before chopping them. Half a cup of fresh coconut, which we've grated. Half cup of powdered jaggery. 1 teaspoon of green cardamom powder. 1/4 teaspoon of rock salt and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. For the toppings, we need 1/4 cup of chopped almonds, 1/4 cup of chopped cashews, and 1/4 cup of chopped pistachios. Make sure to soak the almonds and cashews for about 6 hours before chopping them. Nuts should always be had soaked. When unsoaked, they're in their dormant state. They're kind of sleeping, but soaking nuts brings them to life, activates them, and makes them more digestible for our bodies. This recipe serves 6 people. If you want the perfect taste of the recipe, make sure to use proper measuring cups and spoons, at least for the first few times. Let's move on to the method. First, place the grated carrots and saffron into a clay pot and then let them cook on a medium flame for about 30 minutes till all the water is absorbed and the carrots become soft. While the carrots are cooking, you can start preparing the date paste. Take your half cup of dates and half a cup of water. Add both to the blender and blend until you get a smooth paste. Once the date paste is ready, we have to make thick coconut milk. Into your blender, add half a cup of grated coconut and 1/4 cup of water. Blend them together. Then sieve the mixture through a nut milk bag or a muslin cloth. Keep this liquid to be used later. Once the carrots have cooked, reduce the flame to low. Add the jaggery and the date paste that we just prepared to the pot and stir them together. Then switch off the stove. Add the thick coconut milk, stir, and immediately close the lid. You have to let the coconut milk cook just a little bit through the steam inside the pot, but not directly on the flame. Then add cardamom powder, lemon juice, and salt to the halwa and stir well. Lastly, add the chopped almonds, cashews, and pistachios. Stir them well, and there you have it. Delicious gajar halwa. It just melts into your mouth and tastes so good. Now, 3 small tips. If you keep this halwa in the refrigerator for just 30 minutes before serving, it tastes even better as all the flavors bloom and become more enhanced. Make sure not to reheat this halwa in order to retain its nutritional value. We should not cook coconut milk on heat because it has heat-sensitive minerals which get destroyed when heated. And lastly, consume this halwa within 3 to 5 hours of making it. The Bhagavad Gita in chapter 17 tells us that if we're cooking food on fire, we should consume it within 3 hours of cooking it. After that, it starts to lose its life energy. For more such delicious healing desserts, order the Sattvic Food Book online. This book is a food guide that tells you how you can heal any disease just by changing your food without any medicine. It comprises of about 50 healing recipes. The principles in this book are based on ancient wisdom of our Vedas, while the cuisine is designed to best fit our busy modern lifestyles. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell button below so you don't miss out our future dessert videos. Comment below if you happen to try this halwa and let us know what you think. Goodbye for now, and we'll meet you in the next video.